Hi. So you are looking for that Valentine gift idea that you can crochet for your loved one or your mom or just a family member or a friend. And last year I put together this video that was for home accessories that you could crochet as a Valentine gift. So I'm going to go ahead and repurpose that video for you today so that you can see that again, and let me know if you chose to crochet one of those or more than one of those. Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets, and this is where I research, I study, I share, and I teach all things crochet. So at the end of this video, if you have found it to be helpful, will you please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. So the very first one is this really nice pot holder, and it's a really simple pattern. I began with a chain and then I worked on both sides of that chain, and I just continued around and around and around, and as I crocheted it began to form like a little boat. Then at the end you end up folding it over and it turns into the square, and then you seam it together. It is a really interesting pattern. It's all single crochet in the back loops only, and it's doubled because of the way that it was crocheted. It's doubled, so it is perfect to be able to grab those things in the oven that are hot. And this is made out of a cotton yarn so that it can withstand the heat. Don't use acrylic yarn. It's going to end up melting the acrylic yarn. So you don't want to use acrylic. Make sure that you use cotton. And I went ahead and I made a yellow one as well. And the pattern is on my Etsy shop. So click on over if you want to make these. Second is these coasters, and they're two different sizes, okay? Just to show you the difference in what the crochet hook will do. This yellow one is a 3mm hook that I used. And then this red one is a 3.5mm hook. These are all single crochets as well, except for the shell border. That is all half double crochets, and the pattern is mirrored. Whatever's crocheted on this side is mirrored perfectly on the other side in the pattern. Next is this beautiful pillow. Now I use this on my bed. I have some other throw pillows that came with my comforter set, but I kind of made this in the same colors as my bedroom theme. This is where you can play with your imagination. I didn't have enough yarn for the colors that I wanted. I only had one skein of each. So I said, okay, well, I'll just make one side of the pillow one color and the other side of the pillow another color. Once you're done crocheting both sides of the heart, then you have to end up crocheting this ridge that joins the two hearts together. And I'm like, oh my God, I don't have enough yarn to do that either, of either color. So that's when I decided, hey, it's two-sided. Why not have the rim one half of one color and the other half of the other color? Okay, so I did that and that worked out all right. So I decided to go with this brown because that is also the color of my color theme. So this is all, again, single crochets. It's a really easy pattern. I ended up finding a tutorial on YouTube, really nice. I used polyfill fiber, stuffed it really good. Really nice. Now I just want to let you know that in the description box below, I am going to list every one of these gift ideas, and underneath the names of those gift ideas is either going to be a link to a tutorial that you can go and watch to learn how to make them, or there's going to be a link to the pattern over at my Etsy shop. So you can just go ahead and you can click on that if you want to buy the pattern. Okay, next is another pillow. This was really interesting. This is just a square throw pillow. It's in a nice bright red. I used Premier Bunny yarn. And let me tell you what, this is the first time that I had worked with this. And if you are a beginner, I would not recommend using this yarn. You have to end up feeling. You can't see the stitches at all. You have to feel for every little next stitch that you have to work into. And it frogs okay, but you gotta kind of wiggle it as you go, and it's for a patient person. That makes a beautiful little Valentine's Day gift. Okay, so then I just made these little tiny plushy hearts. They're really cute. This one I added some safety eyes and a little mouth too. And these are just plain hearts with nothing on either side. And then a little one in regular. This is in the chenille plushy yarn, and then this one's just in regular worsted yarn. And these are cute just to throw around. You have a little bowl of candy hanging around with maybe some candy hearts that has those little sayings. And you can just like throw these around different places too as your Valentine's decorations. Okay, I went ahead and I designed, I don't have the pattern to this written out yet. There is a couple of things here that I don't have the pattern written out for yet, but it will be coming soon. So underneath the name in the description box below, underneath the name of the crocheted item, it might say pattern coming soon, but I'm going to be working on that, and I'm going to be getting that into the Etsy shop right soon within the next week or so here. So that being said, this is this beautiful little basket with little handles, and it has this beautiful ridge around it that is backwards single crochets and then a little heart applique. And it is great if you have someone that is a plant lover. I have this plant here. Now, wouldn't that make a beautiful gift? I mean, come on. I like it. Any plant lover would absolutely love this. What are you talking about? Okay. And then last but not least, this isn't a home accessory, but I just thought that they were really adorable and they would make wonderful gift ideas. I made one red with pink hearts. It's a cute little draw bag. And then I made a pink one. That's all I had today for home accessory gift ideas for Valentine's Day. Here are a couple of videos that I think that you might be interested in taking a look at for some more gift ideas for Valentine's Day. Comment below. Let me know what you have made for Valentine's Day, and if you have any other ideas that you can throw at me, throw those in the comments below. And until next time, bye.